Hi students, Miss Williams here. Today we're going to talk about the different text structures that we have in reading. There's 5. So the first one we're going to talk about is sequential. Describes events in order or explains the steps one must follow to do something or make something. So here you notice you have these boxes and we have arrows going from one box to the next to show that it's in sequential order, in a sequence. Some signal words we might see are first, second, next, last, another, then, finally, after that, or before. So these are words I would look for in the text to know if the text structure was sequential. And this would be my graphic organizer or thinking map that I would use to show sequential order. The next one we have is description. A topic, idea, person, place, or thing is described by listing its features, characteristics, or examples. So here we have our main topic in the middle, and then we would have our different descriptions coming off of that circle in the middle. Sometimes you could call this a bubble map. That's your graphic organizer. Some signal words we might have or see would be for example, for instance, specifically, in particular, or in addition. So when I'm having the text structure description, it's describing what we see by listing features, characteristics, or giving examples. Our next text structure is problem and solution. It tells about a problem and then gives one or more solutions. This would be the graphic organizer, our thinking map that we would see for a problem on the left, solution on the right. Some signal words would be consequently, therefore, as a result, thereby, leads to, or because of. And so remember, this is problem solution. The author tells a problem and then gives one or more solutions. We have cause and effect. Shows relationship between the cause, the event, and the effect. What happened because of the event. So here I can have my cause, and then I can have multiple effects of what's happening. Signal words consequently, therefore, as a result, reason why, because of, maybe, due to. So we have our event, and then we have the effect. This is what happened, and this is why it happened. Cause and effect. And the last one we have is compare and contrast. Shows how two or more things are alike and or how they are different. So contrast means how they're different. Compare means how they are the same. So here we have a Venn diagram, and on this side these characteristics would only be like this, like the lion, and then on this side we would have characteristics for the tiger, and then in the middle we would have how they are the same. Words that I'm going to see for contrast: different from, however, although, on the other hand, as opposed to, more than, less than, or on the contrary. Contrary means to contradict, means different. Compare, words I'm going to see similar to, alike, same as, not only but also, resemble, as well as, or both. So these are the 5 text structures that we're going to see while we're working on this unit. Compare and contrast. And I can use a Venn diagram to help me with my thinking. Cause and effect. Problem and solution. Description. And sequential.